Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. LTZ Plus package, tires, P265/65 or 18 on off-road, white outlined letter, Z71 appearance package in the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.